So over here you can see that I got a bunch of tasks right here, and over here you can see on the right hand side you see the Gantt chart view, and the Gantt chart is in a daily format, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and zoom in, you can see all of the individual days right here, just like this. But sometimes what you want is you may not want to view out the Gantt chart in day format. That is, you may want to change out the time scale that you see right here for the Gantt chart being displayed. And in that case, you can go around onto the view menu, and over here what you can do is you can go around onto time scale. So right now the time scale is in 3 days, and depending on the level of zoom right here, you can see it goes to days or 2 days right here. And if I were to zoom this out right here, then you can go around onto months over here, just like this as well. But you can go around over here, and let's say you want to view it in hours, then you can view it in hours over here as well. You can see it really zooms in right there, just like that. You can go around and zoom out, and you can see that it goes for 12 hours and so forth from over here. So right from over here, you can see it in years, and you can see it in half years. You can go around, see it in quarters right here, or months, or thirds of month over here, and so forth, and choose the exact time scale that you want. You can go around onto the time scale option right here, and you can set out the units from over here as well, and change out the count right here, and set the value over here just like this as well to view out everything. So you can see that this is what you have, and you can see the quarter over here just like this as well, and press OK in order to view out the time scale right here and choose out the time scale that you want. And that is how you can change out the time scale inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.